A lot of you have been asking what is the difference between the Teverun Fighter Supreme Ultra and the Teverun Fighter Supreme version 5. We get this question so often, and sometimes you get confused whether you're looking at the Teverun Fighter Supreme Ultra or the V5. So in today's video, I'm here to show you the key differences between the Ultra versus the V5. If you look at those two tires, there's a huge difference. The Ultra comes with an 11-inch tubeless tire, commonly seen in the InMotion RS. So those tires are good. When it comes to curving, there's a big difference. For riders who know, you know what I'm talking about. Now, the Teverun Fighter Supreme V5 comes with a large 13-inch tire, 7-inch rim. These tires are a lot better for absorbing bad road conditions. It's much more stable because it's wider and it doesn't get flat as often. Next key difference, the Teverun Fighter Supreme V5 comes with two steering dampers. Now, a lot of you would be saying that, hey, if the scooter is stable, why do I need a steering damper? Now, you got to look at all the sports bike. Every high-end sports bike comes with a steering damper. So this is not whether the geometry is good or bad. It's just how it is, because when you're riding fast, your steering stabilizer helps you control your speed without that small tiny wobble. The Fighter Supreme V5 comes with two steering dampers so that when you're doing left turns or right turns, both sides feel safe. Now we have the Teverun Fighter Supreme Ultra. The Ultra only comes with one steering damper, which is good. Most electric scooters come with only one steering damper. This will do the job. Double steering damper is just better. The Teverun Fighter Supreme V5 comes with a larger front fender and rear fender compared to the Ultra. Now these fenders are broken, but I'm just showing you that the fenders are larger. Next, the Teverun Fighter Supreme V5 comes with wrapped carbon fiber. This is also how you can tell the difference between the V5 and the Ultra. Now, if you look at the Ultra, it comes with the traditional Duotron style aluminium frame, and they give you a piece of carbon fiber right here. With the V5, you get the whole thing. With the Ultra, you get one piece. The Teverun Fighter Supreme V5 comes with a turbo button, and the Ultra does not come with turbo button. What's the key difference? The V5 has a higher top speed than the Ultra. Also, a much more punchier acceleration compared to the Ultra. Of course, these two, there are a lot of differences, and it comes with price difference. The Teverun Fighter Supreme V5 light strip. This plays a difference if you are looking to do maintenance on your scooter. The light strip on the Teverun Fighter Supreme V5 is a flexible light strip. The Teverun Fighter Supreme Ultra comes with a one-piece light strip. That means if you are trying to repair it, you have to be very careful how you remove the light strip from the scooter. But on the V5, it's flexible, so it's easier to take it out. Now, another key difference between the V5 and the V4 and Ultra is that the connectors used around the scooter itself, inside the deck, outside the deck, they are upgraded connections. What does that mean? The connection does not come loose while you're riding through bumpy roads. In the past, Teverun has received a lot of feedback that the older connections tend to vibrate and get loose, the scooter will turn off. So now on the latest model, the Fighter Supreme V5 does not have that issue anymore. Another update on the Teverun Fighter Supreme V5 is on the app. When you're using the turn signals, it will show the color and the turn signals that is being used on the app itself. Check it out on the Teverun app. For this part, a lot of customers have asked us, hey, how many charging ports does the scooter have? There is one charging port on each side of the deck, one on the left side and one on the right side. You want to see this side? So two charging ports in total. For the next segment, I cannot show you unless I open up the scooter. There is this component in both scooters called the IVCU. I'll put a picture over the video. That IVCU component controls the Bluetooth and the GPS tracking on the Teverun scooters. However, there are a lot of customers that have feedback the GPS not working. So if you are looking for a scooter that is GPS tracking, remove Teverun from this option because the GPS features are not mature yet. But there are a lot to like about the scooter, but the GPS function is something that you should just remove it from your buying requirement. So the IVCU unit helps you with the NFC keys and the remote control on the scooters. So in the past, the IVCU unit has a lot of wires. Now with the V5 and the Ultra, it comes with a much simplified wiring system, high-go connections, just like this one's very easy to replace if you ever need to replace. We rarely replace this part. Alright, that's all I have to compare the Teverun Fighter Supreme V5 and the Ultra. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section. Reach out to our customer support team. They are available 7 days a week to help you. Alright, see you on the next one.